I define P2P as a direct social production of value by civil society. When you look at money, money is created by banks through their loans, and it's regulated by the central banks. And one of the things that we also discover with peer-to-peer is the importance of invisible architectures, the kind of protocol, the design rules that favor some kind of behavior and make other kinds of behavior difficult. So I would think that what this shows us is that the protocol of money today, interest-based money, is a protocol which drives infinite growth in a finite system. So I think that this is not a good thing, that this kind of monetary system, which is based on fighting for scarce resources, and so there's scarcity for the people who need it, and then you have 98% of the money which is floating around speculatively, and creates one bubble after another. So I don't think this is a very good system. Now, how would this system change? Well, of course, the people who profit from it are not going to change it. So what if we create open money systems that we can manage ourselves, that we can choose the protocols from, and that virtual and physical communities can start using from the bottom up? So that I would say that's one of the particular changes that could happen through peer-to-peer. The other one is the following. To have peer-to-peer, you have to have access to your own resources. So today we have our brains, we have a cognitive surplus, we have computers, we have access to the network, and that allows us to do immaterial cooperation. So we can do everything that's not stuff, we can do already through peer-to-peer. When machine starts becoming miniaturized, so we have desktop manufacturing, personal fabricators, flexible manufacturing, multi-purpose machinery, so all these trends point to capital becoming cheaper and more distributed. And when financing becomes more distributed, so that's the importance of social lending, like the Prosper and the, what's the American system again? The ZOPA, that's the English system, and Prosper, the American system. That means that people can get money from each other, then we have computers are distributed, machines are getting distributed, and money is getting more distributed. What that does is it augments the field of peer-to-peer in society, so that peer-to-peer production can move from pure knowledge production to open design for machinery to actually making things in a more peer-to-peer way and finding the capital to do it as well. So all these are changes that are not happening overnight, but I think that the direction of change is in that direction. So in the next 10, 20, 30 years, we'll see more and more of those different steps being taken up by different people and creating the basis for another type of society, which I call the peer-to-peer society.